Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Chevy Cruze LT, stock number Z8395XX. Only 51,000 miles on this Cruze. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, semi-white in color. Cruze is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, storage in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those mobile media devices, and a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more information on this Cruze, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.